Facebook adds a set of interactive buttons to pages. December 12, 2014 Network Facebook Social announced the new update allows managers page to add interactive buttons, which helps those who follow in their pages to communicate with them or you make appropriate to the nature of the button that was chosen. And managers can Facebook pages now choose one of 7 buttons, which appear at the top of the page next to the Ad Hoc Impressive Page button, used to transform those who followed a page to fit the places and usefulness of the button name. It contains new buttons on a different set of names and options. There is a button called Book Now, one on behalf of the Contact Us button, Use Application Use App, and Play the Game, as well as the button Shop Now. The burden of recording Sign Up. Finally, button View Video, Watch Video. These buttons are designed to provide new options that will help page owners to achieve their business goals, according to several options consistent with the objectives of the pages. She explained, Facebook page within her blog, that the retail store network, Dollar Shave Club, has begun testing a button to register 3 weeks ago. Noted that the Accelerator registration page have been visited by 2.5 times. And will begin Facebook by providing the possibility to activate these buttons at the beginning of the users in the United States over the next few weeks, as will be the availability of these buttons to all over the world during 2015.